Okay, let's go shopping. Grab a few carrots, some spinach, some potatoes. Oh well. Now it's time for the sauce for our stew today. Oh, we don't need these, but I just found out they just sell pieces of fried fish for like bentos. Cool. And time for some Alright then, some broccoli. Time to get some little sausages. Some milk, and this little divot on the top shows it's not processed. I just want to buy a bit of cheese. All good. I'll have to have you hang up though. I'm mid-video now. I did. I'm mid-video right now. Can you not hear me during video? Enough time. Potatoes. Potatoes. So many potatoes. We love me potatoes. Boom. Chow time. Ready to go. Carrots. Chaos. Spinaches. Wieners. Broccoli. Small conversion. Now these bad boys. Oh, there she goes. Squeeze. Looking pretty good. Okay, now it's time for the sausage. So this it is. It looks a little like chocolate, to be honest. Do not eat it like chocolate, but there you go. Oh, it's under my nail. Oh. 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 And just let it go. Just a bit of milk. Looking pretty good. And last point, I'm gonna break my... She do be ready. I mean, look at that. So tasty. An ice cream stew. Honestly, not bad. Would recommend.